Hi everyone, welcome to your lesson for this week. Yeah, we're starting some biology. We're going to be looking at cells. We're going to be looking at plant cells, and animals are made of animal cells. Isn't that right, Desmond? Both plant and animal cells are made up of specialised organelles. Organelles are specialised structures found within a cell that perform a specific function. We're going to look at some of these today in more detail. In our lesson today, we're going to try and model plants and animal cells using some simple equipment. We've got the Tupperware box, which is going to represent the cell wall. We're going to line this with cling film, which shows the cell membrane. We're going to use the sandwich bag to show the vacuole. Larger marble represents the nucleus, and the smaller marbles are going to be used to show chloroplasts. We'll be surrounded by the water, which we're using to represent the cytoplasm. So, what do all these different organelles do? On the outside, we've got the cell wall, which strengthens the cell and provides support. It's made of a tough fibre called cellulose. Inside of the cell wall, we've got the cell membrane, which controls what goes in and out of the cell. Inside of here, we've got the permanent vacuole, which contains a liquid called cell sap, which helps keep the cell turgid. Smaller marbles are used to show chloroplasts, which can contain a photosynthetic chemical called chlorophyll, which is used for photosynthesis. Then we've got the larger marble showing the nucleus, which controls the cell and contains genetic information that's needed to make new cells. Finally, all of these are surrounded by the water here, which is the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance where reactions happen. We're going to look at the animal cell. We're going to use a balloon, a larger marble, and some water. We're going to use the balloon to show the cell membrane. Remember, this controls what goes in and out of the cell. The marble is going to show the nucleus, which controls the cell and contains the genetic information. So the nucleus is inside of the cell membrane, and we're going to fill this up with water to show the cytoplasm. There we have it, a model of an animal cell. The balloon is showing the cell membrane, the water inside is showing the cytoplasm, and a marble representing the nucleus. At the bottom of the screen, we've got the model of a plant cell, and at the top of the screen, we've got a model of an animal cell. What similarities and differences can we see here? Animals are made of animal cells, and plants are made of plant cells. However, our bodies and plants are doing lots of different things at different times. This means that you need specialised cells to carry out these functions.
We're going to look at 4 different types of specialised cell. We're going to look at a nerve cell, which carries electrical impulses around the body, a sperm cell, which carries the male genetic material, the egg cell, which carries the female genetic material, and a root hair cell, which absorbs water and nutrients from soil and plants. The nerve cell is a long and thin structure which has connections at each end where it can join to other nerve cells. At this end, they're called the axon terminal, and at the other end, they have dendrites. What we see here at the top is the nucleus. The sperm cell is used as a part of reproduction to pass on male genetic material. They've got a long streamlined tail, a large head with a nucleus to carry genetic information, and inside of the head they've got many mitochondria, which is the site where respiration occurs. We're going to look at the female cell, the female egg cell here as well. On the inside we've got the cytoplasm and a nucleus. And this is surrounded by the cell membrane. And finally we're going to look at the root hair cell, which takes up water and nutrients from the soil. They've got a large surface area, which is helped by having a large vacuole, which is in here. And we can also see the nucleus here as well. Since these root hair cells are going to be underground, they've got no chloroplasts because there's no light, so photosynthesis can't occur.
Thanks for watching today's lesson, everyone. Today we've looked at cells. Have a great week.